With an incredible blend of woody and spicy notes, this masculine fragrance is undoubtedly made for the mature, suave, and professional men. Wear this all day for a lasting richness and sensuality. Let's delve into this intricate composition, starting from this beautiful orchid. With its vibrant golden yellow blooms, while releasing a delicious cinnamon clove-like scent, this orchid adds splashes of wonderful, refreshing, spicy hues to the fragrance. Immerse yourself in the soothing comfort that our fragrances provide with the infused therapeutic orchids. Not only are these orchids great mental relaxants, they are also reputed for their medicinal properties and have been used extensively in traditional medicines. Like this therapeutic orchid. In India, the tubers are mixed with condiments to provide an herbal remedy for arthritis. While in China, the usage differs greatly. The plant is used in treating coughs, kidney inflammation, and relieving pain. As for this orchid, in Western China, the whole plant is boiled over a slow fire and consumed to detoxify, improve blood circulation, while helping to hasten recovery from injuries and sickness. A decoction of this herb is used to nourish the lungs, relieve coughs, phlegms, and breathlessness. It can be used as a poultice for topical application to heal wounds. Cedarwood, mint, pine, and blends of precious woody notes are the remaining scent notes that complete this composition. Cedarwood, with its soft, warm, woody scent topped with a dash of freshness, remains a classic ingredient in many perfumes. It is mainly used as a base note due to its deep and grounding quality, increasing longevity of the fragrance. Early records have revealed that cedarwood essential oil has been used since centuries ago for both sedative and medicinal purposes. Now it is still commonly used to achieve similar effects. In the practice of aromatherapy, it is said to benefit mental and physical health. It helps relax the body, reduce harmful stress, ease tension, and encourage quality sleep. Amidst deeper woody notes, the addition of mints add a clean and refreshing element to the fragrance composition. Just like drinking a glass of cold, icy water, a dash of mint adds an instant cooling feeling, perfect for the warm and sunny weather. In aromatherapy, mint essential oil is used extensively to reap its benefits. Its invigorating nature helps to stimulate the mind, increase alertness, and uplift mood, while decreasing anxiety and depressive feelings. A refreshing scent that resembles the cooling breeze and the smell of the earth after a rain. Great for both day and night wear, this aromatic fragrance is the perfect pick for the modern man.